Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus 9 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept. Then confirm, continue and allow. You want to go with receive on OnePlus and send on an Android. Then tap on all of these dots and click send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click only on this one song, tap send and click got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on OnePlus, select while using the app and point your camera at the code. My file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, click at the top left corner over here, select in my case Audio, and as you can see, my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!